What's going on, everyone? Today I kind of want to open this box. Just got an order in from Stongink, and kind of wanted to show you guys what the product looks like. So let's get this opened and check out these pin kits. Just got from our buddies from Stongink. See what we got here. We got some bullet kits here. We'll get a close up of those in just a second. So we got a few of those. They're looking pretty nice. Let's see what else we got here. So we got nice gold kit. A nice gold bullet kit right there. And this one's chrome. Sorry, couldn't find the orders on here. And oh, this is a nice fancy one. This is a nice fancy fountain pen kit. And there's another nice fountain pen kit. We got a nice drill bit. Another nice gold kit right there. Another drill. And we got our bushings for our sets. So we're all set there. So let me give you guys a close up of this nice product real quick. So I kind of wanted to show everybody these pin kits from again Stongink. So make sure the link is below. Make sure you guys check them out if you want to check out the product. But so far, I mean, it looks like it's pretty good, solid stuff, and they look like it's a nice kit. Man, it is cold. Hey, it's cold out here, guys. But I got to do this for you guys. Got to show this stuff off. But look at that. It's cold, but I don't know how well you guys can see that, but there you go. Looks like it's a pretty decent kit. Feels pretty nice in the hands. This one's the bullet kit. Here's the fountain pen. I'll show you guys that real quick. Man, I am freezing. It's like negative fucking freezing out here. That's alright. It's okay. My hands don't work right now. Let's see. Looks like a nice nib. Not going into too much detail because, again, I will be making some pins out of this soon, and that way we can actually put it all together and see how it looks, see how it writes, and see how it feels. Maybe when my hands ain't freaking numb, because they're kind of numb right now. But get back in there. There you go. Again, Stongink. Check them out. Links below. So far, they look pretty good, but make sure you guys follow me because I will. It may be a few days so it can get a little bit warmer because it's cold, but I will be making some kits out of these. So I definitely want to. I'm going to use them all, but I'm going to try to make at least one of each one real quick for everybody. So that way we can kind of see what it all looks like. I will say the tubes, you probably can't see very well. I will say we'll have to make sure you sand those really good because they look, yeah, they all look pretty smooth. So that's one thing for sure. Have to make sure we do is sand them so that way your blanks stay on there good. But other than that, so far we're gonna say it looks pretty good. And thanks for Stongink for picking us up to try some of these kits out, and guys, give them a try. See what you guys think. If you guys have tried them, let me know. Let me know what your feedback is. But right now, so far, they look pretty good, and we're gonna give them a try, and we're gonna get warm, guys. It's cold. Till next time. Later, everyone.